Box one. Big fan, brother. I seen your shit. Big fan. Yeah. Para kapong eri kebi box two, box three.
Yo.
Kapong ngaruk. Padahal ngaruk.
Bruh, my eyelids heavy as shit. I don't even know if I can properly chug the cup. Yeah, I mean, just like Chinese people see, you know, widescreen and shit, they can still see 5K. I can still see. It's just a struggle with the feel. Hell yeah, it feels good, bro. It's at least it's not like beer where I feel good, but I feel like I want to do some evil shit. At least with the kava, when I feel good, it's more like, damn, I'm just high. Yeah, this is the thing that Chuukese people need to hop on, bro. Especially people from the main island. Konnapari, Över, Besatin. They just need to fucking chill. Yeah, yeah, that's what I heard. Some of them, like especially in Uman, I heard most of them are drinking kava. I'm like, that's good. That's good. Yeah.